Hello everyone, welcome to our team. And my name is Man.
And my name is Ping.
My name is Chang.
Yes, today we will be your tour guide, and today we'll introduce the Hmong Traditional House with you. Yes, okay, please follow me. Before we go to visit the Hmong house, I need to tell you something. And the first, you don't litter when you visit around the house. Yes, and the second, please don't climb and break anything in the house. Yes, and the first, I will tell you about the story of the Hmong people. Yes. The Hmong people originate from Huanghe River based China thousands of years ago, and then they migrated multiple times south and arriving in Vietnam 3,000 of years ago. Yes. Mainly concentrated in the northern mountainous area of Vietnam, such as Lào Cai, Hà Giang, Điện Biên, Sơn La, Lai Châu, and some other areas. Yes. Based in clothes and dialect, there are Hmong flower, red Hmong, green Hmong, and black Hmong groups. But in Sapa, there are black Hmong people. You can see the black Hmong people when you visit some village in Sapa. Yes. The Hmong people, one of Vietnam's most prominent ethnic minority, have rich cultural heritage that is reflected in their traditional architecture. Today in Sapa, the Hmong people living areas is main concentrated in Mường Hoa, Lao Chải, Tà Văn, Trung Chải, and Mường Hoa communities. Yes. Now we are standing in front of the Hmong Traditional House. You can see the location of the house is carefully chosen. The Hmong people often build their house on high ground and near the mountain to get the sunlight and avoid the flood. Yes. Traditional belief and ceremony are also important when building a house because it brings warmth, good luck, and fertility. As the Hmong people traditional house is a type of ground floor house. Yes. But the architecture is very unique with the roof of falconers, wood and the wood made of softwood, and you can see the pillars. Yes, the pillars of the house on stones. Yes, stainless. According concepts of fertility. Yes. Now we should go inside the Hmong house to explore the house. Yes, please follow me. Okay. Yes. You can see the Hmong house has 3 compartments. Yes. Yes, and with the main door, which each with a distinct function. Now we are standing in the central compartment, serves as the main living space where the family together for meals, storytelling, important ceremony, and welcoming great. Yes. And you can see above our head. Do you know what is this?
No.
Yes. This is active flow. Yes. Active flow. Yes. Yes. The active floor is the resident of the spirits of rice and corn. So the women abstain from going to the Arctic. Yes. And two compartments are used as sleeping areas and storage space, accommodating for family members, ancestral household items, and in a kitchen you can see the kitchen. Yes. And who knows what is this? Oh yeah, this is a central pillars. The central pillars, yes. The central pillar is very important in the Hmong house. After birth, when the placenta of a baby boy, yes, is buried under the pillars, why a baby girl's placenta is buried under the bed? Yes. Because another being seen in the house is believed to be the place where the spirits and ancestors live. Yes. And in addition, you can see they have fryers. Yes. This is a small fryer. Small fryers. Yes. Typically, it is an open hearth. Yes. With an iron grate and or three stones as last. Yes. It's used for healing, boiling water for tea, and daily cooking, and as a common day living for the whole family. Yes. And the fryers usually keep burning continuous, yes, to maintain warmth. Yes. Now we will go outside to the Hmong house and explore the architecture of the house. Yes. Okay, please follow me.
The house is designed to withstand the harsh mountain climates. The thick wooden walls and thatches all tile roofs provide insulation against the cold, while the rise air filtration have protect the house from moisture and floodings. A small courtyard air often flows in front of the house. It for drying clothes, keeping livestock, and social activities. Many Hmong house like hazangs are surrounded by a stone fence. The stone fence have protect families from animals and winds and strong wind, and so the families connection to the land. Today, as modernization reaches the remote area like Sabah, traditional Hmong house are gradually being replaced by more modern structures. However, efforts being made to preserve architectural them, recognizing these cultures and historical historical significance. Visiting Hmong villages in Sabah provide an opportunity to witness their traditional ways of life and appreciate the beauties to their tourist compartments house. In conclusion, the tourist compartment house of the Hmong pupils in Sabah is not just shelters shelters, but a presentation of their heritage, resilience, and connection with nature. It stands as a testament to their rich tradition and shows.
Good morning.
They are an important cultures, symbols that should be from future generation.
Okay, hello everybody. We are continue. Okay, you know the life of the Hmong people depend on the forest. So forest product, exploitation and sheep cultivation. In addition to growing wet rye and upland rye, they also grow the maize and cassava, fruit trees, and flag and indigo plant to weave and dye fabrics. They raise livestock and poultry, including horse. The horse is a family image for every Hmong family. Yes, to carry people or carry goods. And the Hmong people have their own dishes with ethnic characteristics. Yeah. Such as men, it is maize flour. Okay, and now I will show you how to they make maize flour. Okay, follow me.
This one very deep, very full already.
בזהירות, מי שרצה, איפה יש שרצה?
Hello. Okay, you can see here, they use it to make maize flour. Oh, you can try it.